Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how to turn a big box to a small box to save the cost of buying a box and also can save the effort of recycling. Here we go. So first of all, you got a big box like this and we want to turn to a box is about 1/4 of the volume. So first of all, we need to cut this box into 2 pieces. So the second step is to measure it. See, I don't actually have a ruler, so I will just use a notebook page with lines. Next, we're going to fold it. Now, you see, we're getting closer to a smaller box now. However, the lid is a little bit bigger. So next, we're going to trim the lid. The next step is also the last step, is to tape this box up. To support the insert, I use 2 books. Voila! A big box turning into a small box. And we are ready to ship. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.